What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Kezzy here. If you have never been to my channel before, welcome, and if you have, then welcome back to my channel.
I do this shit for me and they for my people. He don't have no Instagram cause all my brothers fighting Ricos. So he gassed me up a jet to Puerto Rico.
So today I'm going to be braiding my hair, and I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm not going to show you all everything in detail, but I'm doing a hot oil treatment right now, and this is one of ORS's little hair repair hot oil treatment packets, and you could pop them right into the microwave and heat them up, and it makes it perfect and convenient for you. So as you can see, I'm just transferring the oil into a concentrated nozzle little bottle because I'm messy. If you know Kezzy, she's clumsy. So this is just damage control. And y'all, this is how much like the whole packet had. I was like, this would never fit in my hair, but I feel like because my hair was straight, I kind of had favor in this instance. If my hair was curly, I don't know what would have happened to me. So I'm just taking out my braids and sectioning my hair, and I'm about to apply it. But I would say get more than one pack of these, but don't underestimate it because it just might be enough. So probably 2 packets should be good. So yeah, before I wet my hair, I'm about to put this all over my hair and scalp, and just put my heating cap on and leave this. I left this for like 30 to 45 minutes. And don't forget to massage that scalp good because we need some inches and we need some nice blood flow to that scalp. Yo, tell me this girl hair isn't shiny. Like, tell me your hair is shiny without telling me your hair is shiny. I was smelling it because I was like, I wonder how this smelling, boy. Anyways, yeah, so this is what my hair looks like after deep conditioning. So now I'm about to shampoo my hair and give it a nice clean. Now, I actually shampooed my hair 2 times. I double cleanse just because this is oil, and for the most part, like, the good stuff should have already been penetrated through my my hair strands, so I didn't need too much excess oil on my hair. Now I'm going in with my ORS olive oil leave-in conditioner. This is a new rice water electrolyte collection, and this leave-in is kind of like, it's on the thinner side, but it gives your hair moisture. And because I applied this in the shower, y'all, my hair loved me for it. My hair was so soft, y'all, and the shampoo that I used didn't dry my hair out, y'all. I love that shampoo, and so this was just perfect. Now I have blow dried my hair and I'm ready. So I use the Shine and Jam for my roots and along the length of my hair. I also use the ORS Olive Oil Styling Mousse when I was finished. Then I use the Shade Naturals moisturizer. I use this comb, and this is the pack of braid that I used. I got this braid from Pennywise, by the way, if you all were wondering. It's already like stretched, if that makes sense. So yeah, and this is me on time lapse just braiding my hair. Y'all, I can't explain this and I can't teach you how to braid, but just do a plait and add hair. I really don't know how to explain it, but until I do, just enjoy this time lapse of me braiding my hair. If you have made it this far in the video, then go ahead and drop 3 blue butterfly emojis down in the comment section below, because you all know that's our favorite emoji over here. So right here I'm finished doing the braids, and I'm just applying some mousse all over my hair just to help with the neatness and for all the hairs to lay properly. And then yes, so here I showed you all the back of my hair, and then I'll tie it down with a scarf as well as dip the ends in hot water, and I'll show you all what that looks like. I didn't know what I was doing, so I couldn't do a tutorial, but I still hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay y'all, so this is how the braids are looking. They're not that bad. They're really not that bad.
I would share my man before I share my dinero. Muerto on my money on my cabello.